Hello everyone, once again this is Mirasan Shwagu with you, Senior Faculty of Cyprus Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you very important sounds of English language that will help you a lot to develop your pronunciation. It will make your speech gorgeous and fantastic. Today I'm going to teach you the sound which is very important for you guys. Let's see some example. Please, not please, this is please. Please can you go from here? Please can you go from here? Next word is music. This is not music, this is music. I love music a lot. I love music a lot. And next word is amazing. Not amazing, this is amazing. You are amazing boy. Next word is zoo. Not Jew, this is zoo. I'd like to visit our zoo. Next word is museum. Not museum, this is museum. This is our national museum. And last word is she is my daughter. Hope you enjoy a lot my video and keep connecting with Cyprus, and you will enjoy a lot. And thank you very much for watching my video. I'll be here with another episode. Until then, Allah Hafiz.